In this session, we are going to discuss about the find the file location. For the example, you have just remind a file name is a xyz.txt, but you don't know where you have stored or where you have created. You want to check the location of the file, means search the file. If you want to search the file, so you can use the find command and some other commands we will discuss in this session. In a Windows operating system, when you are using, there is a search bar where you write your query and click on the search. It will display and search the files. But how you can do it into the Linux operating system, because Linux is a command line interface. So how you can do it, we will discuss in this session. So let's start. First command is use the find. Find command is used to finding the file. Where to search? Where to search? In where to search means on which location, like in a slash, in a etc or slash home, on which location you want to search this particular file. So it will search on this location. If you don't have the any specific location, so you can use the slash. So in the slash it will search to all the operating system, and search criteria if you want to set, then you can use. So what are the options which is used with the find command? Main used a name, type and perm. Name means file name, like xyz.txt file. If you don't remember the then you can use the wildcard also. Type means type of the file, and perm means permission. This is the short form of the permission. Like there is a some permission, or you are a you are a server administrator, and for the security purpose you are checking how many files having the full permission. So you will identify by using this perm option. So how to find it, I will show you. There is another command which can be used to finding the file on a specific location. It is called locate. So locate will provide you the location of the file, but this locate command is based on the database, like search indexing, or the database has been created based on the search indexing, and it is used locate option and the string file name. So the database are stored in this location var lib amlocate.tb. So the location of the database is a var lib and amlocate.db. So there is a two commands, find and locate, which is used for the locate. But if you want to get the information of any particular command, or where this binary is stored, for the example ls command we are using the user add command. Okay, but I don't know where the binary is stored of this command. So you can use which command, which space give the command name. So it will display the location where this particular executable file is stored. Okay, this location for the tail.